Okay guys, we're back, and today I'll be unboxing this this BETTERSUB combo heat press machine. So I already opened it, but I hadn't took the stuff out. Had this attachment. I think it's a plate attachment. I don't know. I think this is a 5-in-1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is a 5-in-1. So this is the plate attachment. This is the smaller size, and then I have the bigger size one. Then I have this attachment. I think this is the cap attachment, and then this is the mug. This in here tight. Okay. So this is the mug attachment. Let me see what size. 11 ounce. So, and then this. Another attachment. Let's see what this is. Okay, this goes with the cap attachment. So this is the bottom, and then that goes on top. So that's a part of that. Okay, and then this is the heat press part. The cord and the heat press. Let's see what size. I think it's I don't know what size this is. I want to say it's a 12, maybe a 9 by 12, or I know it's not a 15, so I'm gonna say a 9 by 12, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna get this out of this box so you guys can see it more. And it's white with the pink on it. So and this is a clamshell. Swing away clamshell. So you have the heat press and you have all your attachments. At the 2 plate sizes, and then your mug press. So once I find a place to put this and get it set up, I'll do another video pressing some items. I don't have any plates, so that part I'll just plug up and show you guys. But I can do a video pressing a hat, a mug, and of course using the machine itself. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and you guys subscribe, like, and comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.